Hi and welcome to our channel. We found these 4 chairs in an op shop in Featherston. We decided that there is something we could definitely do with these chairs and they needed a bit of TLC. Basically the vinyl was in good shape, it just needed a bit of a scrub up as it was very grubby. We needed to replace some of the webbing in the seat base as they had deteriorated and basically clean up the woodwork. So we effectively stripped the chairs down, resanded, stained, varnished and put everything back together again. And this movie is about how we did what we did. So enjoy. Taken all the upholstery off. I've got to repair some webbing over this side. Some of the webbing had deteriorated, and also as you can see here, the woodwork needs to be looked at. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is basically sand these down very quickly. So the chairs have all been sanded and are basically ready for a bit of a stain up. So I'll do the staining and then I'll do some repairs as well. Where do we go now? Where do we go now? And you can see there it's coming on really nicely. It gets rid of all the old, what do they call it? Water damage. And because I've sanded it back, it's now receiving the stain really well. It's smooth, it's nice, it looks good, and to me that will work. Really, these chairs come up so great once they've got a bit of a lick of varnish. And now I'm just going to attack this webbing and see if I can get it straightened out a little bit. Where do we go now? Where do we go from here? Where do we go now? Where do we go from here? Where do we go now? Where do we go now? Where do we go from here? Where do we go now? Where do we go now? Where do we go from here? I've put some new webbing in amongst the old. Anything old that looks like it was just going to fall apart, I've replaced. And you can see there's the new stuff there and it's sitting really nicely. I've rescued the old foam padding, which is more than adequate to do the task. Right, so we're ready to go. Let's start putting this thing back together again. Where do we go from here? Where do we go now? Where do we go now? Where do we go from here? Okay, so I've just got the base on now, so that's all nicely done. Again, it pays to have one of these little babies because you can really stretch them and get them into place. So my next trick, now the base is on, I'll put the back on. Right, mental little trick. What I've done is I've grabbed some little skewers just to make sure I've got the holes are lined up. So now that I have, then I can remove a skewer, put the screw in and know that it'll line up properly. There we go. So this saves a lot of heartache. There's no point putting more holes in material than is needed. Where do we go now? Where do we go now? So I think it's really good. Look at that. Hey, done. Finished. There we go. And this is looking much better. And also we've done all the webbing. We've put the old vinyl back on because really it's just fairly good. The only thing that was wrong with it was just filthy. So I'm really pleased with how it's turned out. So there we go. One down, 4 to go.